everyone, welcome to the 26th episode of Ask Madhav. My name is Ayushi Singh, and if you guys are wondering what am I doing here, well, I'm here to host this very special episode of Ask Madhav, and I'm very excited to be besides our CEO, Madhav Sheth. Hi Madhav, how are you and how is it going at Realme?
I'm very well, thank you, and I'm glad to see you here. The first quarter of this year has been very exciting. We are on a mission to become a 5G leader, and we have launched various 5G smartphones, democratizing the 5G phone in India below 15,000 rupees. We also launched great AIoT products. Realme Buds Air 2 is one of the highlights, and some other ones too, like Nightlight and Smart Scales. The next quarter is even more exciting.
Well, I'm glad to be here, and that's why we're here to get some more info from you. So let's get started with the questions.
Sure.
The first question is, when can we expect Realme 7 Pro stable Realme UI update?
I know Realme 7 Pro users are eagerly waiting for this. You guys will get the stable version of Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11 in this month itself.
That's good to know. Moving on to the next question, does the newly launched Realme C series come with Realme UI 2.0?
Realme C25 is the first device in the C series to get the Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. Also, Realme C21 will get Realme UI 2.0 early access by the month of June.
Great. So next question is regarding a recently launched product. When can we see Realme 8 Pro illuminating yellow color on sale?
Realme 8 Pro illuminating yellow is a very special edition. You can grab one on 26th of April itself.
Users will be super excited to know this. Next question. Why do we get only 13 MP cameras in Realme C series and any plans to go higher?
Realme C series is our budget offering. The goal with the entry-level C series is to make smartphones accessible for all the users, with all the basics done right and staying true to the objective of Realme for every Indian. As per our research and the user feedback, a big battery and a more RAM are the things users prefer more than anything else at this price, and that's what we deliver with the new Realme C series products. However, we will surely consider user feedback and improvise in the upcoming products.
Good to know that. Next question is regarding our AIoT products. What are the next products in the AIoT segment?
Realme Tech Life is definitely our focus in 2021. You will not only see products launched by Realme but also products from brands who will be joining Realme's AIoT ecosystem. Realme has done well in TV, wearables and audio products. We launched Realme Buds Air 2 recently and it has become one of the most successful products in the industry in Q1. For the next quarter, we have even bigger surprises. We are coming up with the new lineup of Realme Smart TVs to bring home theater experience to a whole different level and some interesting smart home products which our fans would enjoy using every day. That's not it. We are also entering some long expected new categories this year. To know what it is launching and when, do follow Realme Tech Live social media handles to get the latest updates.
Moving on to the next segment, we want to know some insights regarding the 5G world. So why are we launching one smartphone with both 4G and 5G variants?
As a young Tech Life brand, we listen to our users on a daily basis and social media being our real-time info channel. We have two sets of users, one who criticizes us for not launching the 5G variant and others who say they don't need a 5G. At Realme, we want to give our users more options and help them with the products that suit their requirements. They are free to choose the best for themselves. Also, our 4G and 5G devices are well differentiated by the pricing and the features. It's on the users now to pick a 5G device or a 4G device.
Moving on, the next question is, for the year 2021, we announced 5G as one of our keywords. Can you share some insights and user preferences towards 5G for the first quarter of the year?
Realme is a leader in the steadily growing 5G-enabled smartphone market with differentiated products and industry-leading technology. We brought India's first 5G smartphone in 2020 with Realme X50 Pro 5G. This year, we brought peak 5G performance to our users with the Realme X7 5G series and then followed it through the Narzo 30 Pro 5G, India's most affordable 5G smartphone, and added another option for our users, Realme 8 5G, as a new benchmark to make 5G smartphones more accessible. Given the diversified portfolio of 5G smartphones that we are building across different price points, Realme aims to be one of the top 3 smartphone brands overall this year in India. All the 5G models we have launched so far are very well received in the market, especially powerful Dimensity chipsets users are quite happy with the performance. We have received a lot of feedback and market inquiry on 5G, and it seems people are more inclined and wanted to be the future ready or didn't want the anxiety of getting obsolescence. Realme is getting closer to its 2021 target and to be the leader of 5G by providing a diverse range of 5G products and make our users future ready with Realme.
Good to know that. So moving on to the next question, what more can we expect from Realme in 5G?
This year, 5G is a primary growth pillar for Realme. To accomplish this, we will launch 5G-enabled smartphones at various price points, allowing customers to experience the new processors with significantly improved power management, display optimization, camera support, gaming performance, and many other features as well, making consumers 5G ready. Half of our products in 2021 will come with 5G, whereas all the Realme smartphones above 20,000 rupees will be 5G enabled. As a 5G pioneer, Realme will continue to democratize 5G models for every Indian user, making them accessible to a large number of people. Narzo 30 Pro 5G and Realme 8 5G are a step in this direction. As far as 5G phone being cheaper than Realme 8 5G, we assure you that Realme aims to be the 5G leader in India and wants to deliver the benefits of 5G chipsets accessible to every Indian. So stay tuned as we democratize 5G technology to more users in 2021.
So we are about to complete 3 years in Realme. So how do you feel about it? And are we planning something special for our fans?
Time really flies by. I feel we just started. With unwavering support of our fans, consumers, partners, employees, and the media friends, we have achieved significant growth for Realme. Despite going through the recent pandemic, we launched amazing and innovative products, both in smartphones and AIoT categories. We forayed into new products, invested more deeply in our businesses, enhanced our customer focus, strengthened our teams, and contributed to the evolving smartphone industry in India. It is through your love and affection only that we have nearly 40 million proud Realme smartphone users in India itself. And now we are committed to become leaders in the tech lifestyle space. We emerged among the top 2 brands in the wristband, watch, and TWS category in 2020. We became one of the top 5 smartphone brands across 15 regions in Q4 2020. We were number 1 in customer satisfaction in the INR 20,000 to 30,000 price segment and the most desired upgrade in the segment for the users, and also became the fastest growing smartphone TV brand in India with a 240% growth in shipments from Q2 to Q3 2020, doubling our market share to 7.5% in Q3 of 2020. For the last 3 years, I only have good memories. Our first launch event, Realme 1, followed by the first launch event in the college campus, Realme 2 Pro, Guinness World Record, anniversary party, Realme photo expeditions, Realme Sundowner, our Dare to Leap skydiving activities, the latest thrilling experience of driving a race car, and so much more. I look back in time and feel lucky to be the part of all these amazing activities, and big thanks to our community for always being there with us. On May 4th, Realme celebrates its 3rd anniversary, and we want to take this special occasion to thank each one of you who have played a great part in our amazing journey since our inception in 2018. We have some really cool activities planned for you guys. We are trying our best to reach as many of you to celebrate. We are also doing a big launch event, the biggest for this year till now. We have already started the celebration activities, and more will be revealed very soon on our social media and the Realme community.
I'm sure users are really excited and looking forward for this. So the last question for today is, talking about the launch, what all products can we expect?
It's all about the flagships on the 4th of May. We are bringing India's first MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor smartphone with all the top-of-line features. We are also bringing a cinema experience to your home with hands-free voice control with Dolby Vision and audio experience. Lot of surprises planned. It is our biggest and definitely the most important launch event you can't miss.
We're really excited for that. Thank you for answering all the queries. That's it for today. Hope all your queries are answered. If not, you can head over to the Realme community or simply
Ask Madhav. By the way, see you guys on our anniversary, which is on 4th of May.